Kawil She in Akoni, where is he in his living? How about where does Mary live?
Kawil Mara in the Koni.
Kawil Myra, what?
In a Coney.
In Akoni. Okay, so where's Mary in her living? Okay, in Akoni. And how about where do you all live? You talk to a couple people and you ask where do you live?
Kawil Koni.
Kawil Shiv.
Kawil Koni.
Shiv in
Nargoni?
Word.
That's you all?
Yeah. Which remember is what you would use for two people, so if you're meeting people very often you're going to be using that. So in Wargoni. Okay.
How do you say it?
In Wargoni.
In Wargoni.
Okay. Right. Another one Heather brought up is a good one. If you want to say someone's alone, say Tashe in the Einer. Einer means one person. So he is in his one person. Tashe in the Einer. Okay? And if you want to ask, are you? And will to in. Will to Daner, are you alone? Will to Daner. Are you in your one person?
You usually follow that up with, can I buy you a drink?
Right. Right. And again, I'm a jochtich, right? So, and will to Daner.
Why is that past tense?
It's not. Are you alone?
Oh, the D is go?
Your, yeah.
And the she doesn't change the word?
Okay, so this is, he is in his one person.
So
Are you?
It's a feminine verb.
Okay, how would you say she's, how would you say then she's alone? Tashi in a Hainer.
Oh.
Yeah. Because the ina here meaning hers is an ancient friend. The same as you would say a horashta, her orange. Okay, as opposed to a rashta, his orange. So the a meaning his and the a meaning hers do different things. And you could also say, which is kind of weird, but you can say tashiyad in a nainer. They're in their one person. They're alone. Okay.
So does this have to do with the A? It's always that way in front of an A?
In front of a vowel, the a meaning his doesn't do anything, the a meaning hers sticks an H on, and the a meaning theirs sticks an N on.
So with a vowel, the feminine, the female, I don't know.
Her, yeah. Remember the a, the letter a here means his, her, or their. Okay, it's the equivalent in Irish of English, his, her, or their. And in Irish, though, his, her, and their, they all are spelled a, but they do different things to the word after them. So his eclipses a consonant and does nothing to a vowel. Her does nothing to a consonant, sticks an H in front of a vowel. And their eclipses a consonant and sticks an N in front of a vowel. Okay. But anyways, I think we're going to... Any questions before I move to the next one?
What does Sui mean again?
Sui is either sitting or to be awake. The tamamahi is I'm awake or I'm sitting, depending on the context. All right. So we might finish by June. Let's see. We're not necessarily going to do everything here. Okay, so the next one, nur a, important word to know, means a couple words. It means when, and it's when something happened. Okay, so the nice thing about nur a is what goes in here are independent little sentences. So if you have the expression, he came, how do you say he came in? No?
Chanik she.
Chanik she. She in? Isjach. Okay, Isjach. Hanik she Isjach, he came in. Okay? So you can just say Nur a Hanik she. Just when he came in. Okay, you just plug in the little sentence there. Nur a Hanik she Isjach. So when he came in, you can say, how do you say the cat went out? You say, how about went? How about went? Hui. Hanigas came, huis went, hui, and caught, amach. Okay, anyone whose cats probably encountered this. So, Nur a Hanik she Isjach, hui, had amach. Okay? So this is the most straightforward one coming from English here, because all you do with nu or when something happened, you just plug two sentences in there. When this happened, this happened. Okay? So nu or hanik she Isjach, huin katamach. When he came in, the cat went out. Okay? Or literally, when came he in, went the cat out. Okay? Or number 17, we have Nur a Hanik She'i, when he saw her, Rishe'amach, he ran out. Okay?
How do you know that's a her, not an it?
It could be a it. Okay? So yeah, it might have been an it. Okay, maybe Nur a Hanik She'i Isjach and Katamach, so when she came in, the cat ran out, so you can just tell from the cat's perspective, Nur a Hanik She'i, when he saw her, Rishe'amach, he ran out. Okay? Yeah. Okay, now, the next few things we're going to have are all going to be expressions that do something different to the sentence in Irish. And it is in all the, let's say, I guess it's from 18 down through 22. It's going to be something that's a little different from English, but happens quite a lot in Irish, and that is you have to kind of flip the sentence words around from the way they normally are. Okay? So we're going to look at number 18 first. So, Hokri me capura a iha, which means I decided to eat a sandwich. So how would you just say by itself, I ate a sandwich? Starts off, Jif me capura.
There's no un?
Which one do I have in this sentence here? Hokri me capura.
Ate sandwich?
I ate a sandwich. If you have un in there, it means I ate the sandwich.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So, jif me capra, I ate a sandwich. Okay, simple sentence. Ate I a sandwich. Okay. Now, when you, the word hokri, or sokri means decide. So, hokri means I decided to eat a sandwich, then the words flip around. So, hokri me capra iha. I decided a sandwich to eat. So the words have to flip around. Okay? And there's a lot of expressions in Irish that do this. Okay, and I've kind of gathered the ones from various places together in one little batch here. For it is, how would you say I drank the tea? Or just I drank the tea. I drank the tea. Dol me. The tea would be ante. Okay? Dol me ante. Drink I the tea. Okay? If you want to say now, how would you say I decided to drink the tea? Hokrime te ol. I decided the tea to drink.
So iha and ol are in present tense, even though you decided it previously?
Okay, so jikman capra is I ate a sandwich, and so this tells you it's past tense, right, Jik? Hokri is past tense, so I decided capra iha is sandwich to eat. So they're kind of they're telling you different things. You can say hokri me capra iha agus jikme capra. So I decided to eat a sandwich and I ate a sandwich. Not sure if I get the question.
So how does hope
I
you
just wanted to
change.
know if Eha and Ol were in present tense.
Oh,
Even
Iha
though-
and Ol.
Because I'm pretty sure
There's
some
another
places
thing that
past
happens here besides that words change around is, this is the word je means ate, okay? Iha means to eat or eating. So kapara iha, a sandwich to eat, so it's a different form of the word. In some cases like ol, it doesn't change, but in the case of ih is the past tense of the word ih. And iha is what's called the verbal noun, the anamvriyahara. So if you have one of those charts, actually the one Kathleen has. Oh, you have one? Okay, good. The origin. So this chart here, if you have one of these, there's verbs on here. Let's see if